This device can perform ECG monitoring through 3, 5, and 12 lead ECG patient cables. ECG monitoring can be done with both therapy electrodes and ECG electrodes. Connect the ECG cable to the input connector on the left side of the device. To access 12-lead ECG setup and monitoring, press the 12-lead quick access key. You can utilize the 12-lead quick access key to take a snapshot of the current ECG, to enter patient information, to review a snapshot, to change the display screen, or to exit the 12-lead and return to the home screen. This device will allow you to select the waveform trace size in order to adjust the size of the displayed ECG waveform. To select the waveform sizes, use the navigation keys to highlight and select the trace size that appears to the right of the electrode label. The default trace size is 1 centimeter per millivolt. You can select a larger or smaller size. You may also select Auto, which displays the best fit size of the trace. Once you have prepared your patient for 12-lead ECG monitoring, you can print the 12-lead ECG for review and analysis by simply pressing the Acquire Quick Access key to collect 10 seconds of 12-lead data for print. Pressing the Lead Select Quick Access key will toggle through all available ECG leads for primary monitoring lead. Use the navigation keys to highlight the lead indicator for any monitoring lead and press the Select key. A drop-down box will appear, giving the provider a list of all available options for monitoring functions. This option also provides the ability to insert, remove, or cascade tracings to customize the display. You can enable up to 4 waveforms on the display. The first waveform at the top of the display is always an ECG waveform. To change the lead size, using navigation keys, highlight the size indicator and hit the Select button. A drop-down box will appear showing all of the size options available. Scroll up or down using the navigation keys and use the Select button to select the desired option. To obtain a 12-lead ECG, simply press the 12-lead Quick Access button and it brings you to the 12-lead menu. The first thing you notice is the 12-lead ECG on the screen. This is a dynamic ECG that allows the rescuer to recognize artifact or a lead-off condition prior to the acquisition of a 12-lead ECG. Prior to the acquisition, it is important to enter the patient's age and gender. The second Quick Access button allows you to enter the patient's age and gender using the navigation keys. When the 12-lead ECG key is pressed, this view provides the user with a complete clinical snapshot, although you must refer to the printout for a true diagnostic quality reading. To acquire a 12-lead, simply press the Acquire button. The acquisition takes about 10 seconds, and once the acquisition is complete, the 12-lead is archived to memory. At the end of the acquisition, a paper copy of the 12-lead ECG is printed in true diagnostic quality in a standard 4x3 configuration with interpretive statement and global measurements. You also have a split screen as a result of the 12-lead acquisition. On the right, you'll notice that there is a dynamic ECG so you can continue to monitor your patient. On the left is a static window that mirrors your 12-lead printout. The second Quick Access key is used to scroll through the pages of the ECG. The first page includes the interpretive statement. Page 2 contains patient demographic information as well as global measurements. As you scroll through the pages using the second Quick Access key, you can see the various pages of the ECG. To transmit a 12-lead ECG, press the Quick Access key with the envelope icon and a menu of pre-configured destinations appears. Use the navigation keys to scroll up or down to highlight the destination you want and then press Select. Finally, use the navigation keys to scroll down to the Transmit option, then press Select again.